Hello everyone, my name is Olga Van Light, and today I would like to show you these beautiful flowers. And yes guys, they do come in different sizes, and they are heat transferable. So I can actually add it to my swimming suit, to my dress. I also can put a couple on my partner's shirts, and I feel like these are definitely very beautiful, dramatic, and also a very high quality flowers. Absolutely love them, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate them. And again, look at the difference in sizes. So basically I'm just going down by size, right? So basically there's 4 different sizes, right? So you can actually create beautiful elaborate designs to your liking. And also what I like these for, basically it's 2 of each size. You can actually put them on your jeans if you have a hole, or on your shirt if you have a hole. These are just little lifesavers when it comes to fixing your clothing items.